In previous video, we talked about Flutter mobile application lifecycle. So in this video, we will go through what is initState and super.initState method in Flutter. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Firstly, what is initState and super.initState in Flutter? InitState is a method that is called once when the stateful widget is inserted in the widget tree. We generally override this method with super.initState if we need to do some sort of initialization work like registering a listener, because unlike build method, this method is only called once. Whenever you execute setState method to rebuild the screen, initState will not be executed because it's only called when the widget is inserted into the widget tree. Next, what's the use of initState method? InitState method usually used to initialize data or handling subscriptions such as streams and controllers. This is because according to the Flutter app lifecycle, initState comes before build method. So before even the screen is built, you can initialize the required data to be displayed on the screen. Now, initState method doesn't take any argument, especially build context. So what happens if your function that call inside initState method requires build context? To solve this problem, you can use future.delete function. This will provide you with a build context and you can use it in your function inside initState method. So now as you can see, the context is highlighted in blue, which means a build context is found in the scope and is ready for use. Conclusion, initState method happens in stateful widget only and it's only called once. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.